Causticum related disease with symptoms.
Clinical symptoms: acne, rosacea, Agalactia, Amaurosis, Apoplexy, Arthritis, deformans, bladder, affections of bronchitis, burns, cataract, Chorea, Coccygodynia, constipation, convulsions, cough, deafness, dentition, diphtheritic, paralysis, ears, otorrhœa, emaciation, Enuresis, epilepsy, eyes, affections of facial paralysis, fistula, dentalis, Goître, hemorrhoids, headache, heart affections, heel, blistered, herpes zoster, hip disease, hydrogenoid constitution, impotence, influenza, intermittent fever, intertrigo, laryngitis, lead poisoning, leukorrhea, locomotor ataxia, Meniere's disease, menstruation, disorders of myalgia, nails, crippled, neuralgia, nose, crusts in acne, paralysis, pemphigus, pregnancy, prostatitis, ptosis, rheumatism, scabies, scrofula, skin, eruptions of smallpox, stammering, syphilis, tendons, contracted throat, affections of tongue, affections of paralysis of ulcers, urethritis, urine, disordered, varicose veins, voice, lost, warts, whooping cough. Key symptoms: oversensitivity, intolerance of injustice, gradual paralysis, raw, burning pain. Person feels worse for cold, dry, windy weather. Causticum, Causticum, diseases, tremors and paralysis, muscle weakness with tremors and drooping of the upper eyelid. There may be a stutter, particularly at times of anger or excitement, and dizziness accompanied by a lack of coordination. Facial neuralgia or paralysis, Bell's palsy, is possible, especially on the right side, or there may be a form of slow developing paralysis. Minor or severe seizures may occur, from petty malfits to serious convulsions, with a susceptibility to jerking and twitching in extreme cases. Aggravation for dry, cold winds in the evening, for exertion. Amelioration for warmth, for washing. Urinary disorders, bedwetting that may be long-term in children, and urine incontinence in the elderly. A need to urinate frequently may be experienced, or the reverse, where urine is retained due to temporary paralysis. There may be stress incontinence on jarring the body, for example, when running, or when coughing, sneezing, or laughing. This is particularly prevalent in women during pregnancy and after giving birth. Cystitis, with a strong urge to urinate accompanied by an inability to actually do so, may also be treated by Causticum. Both men and women who respond to this remedy may experience a loss of sexual pleasure or an aversion to sexual intercourse. Aggravation for dry, cold winds in the evening, for coffee. Amelioration for warmth, for washing, for cold drinks. Skin conditions: large warts that may bleed easily on the hands, face, and fingertips, especially near the nails. Scars that do not heal well, and slow healing burns that blister. Boils, blisters, eczema, herpes, and acne may also be helped by the remedy. Aggravation for dry, cold winds in the evening, for exertion. Amelioration for warmth, for washing. Sore throat: a dry, raw, and burning throat with a constant need to swallow or to clear mucus from the throat, possibly with a choking sensation. The larynx and vocal cords may be inflamed and hoarse. Tightness and a tearing pain in the chest may be related to asthma. Aggravation for dry, cold winds in the evening, for overusing the voice. Cough: a dry, deep cough that racks the chest, with a persistent tickle in the throat and difficulty coughing hard enough to bring up mucus. Aggravation for dry, cold winds in the evening, for exertion. Amelioration for warm, moist weather, for warmth in bed, for cold drink.